Let's put together this bookshelf by YITAHOME. The first step is to open this assembly kit and make sure all the pieces are dispersed. Find the letter that correlates with the letter on this assembly piece and begin building. All right, the first step is to grab this B, the long board, and grab these pieces that are C's. You stick those pieces right in there. All right, after you have the C rods placed in here, the next step is to grab the G piece and the E piece. First, you drop the G, make sure that side is up, straight down, drop it straight down. Grab the E, go inside, screw that in, and once that's finished, you'll screw from above to make sure it's tightened. All right, the next step is to grab the A board, line these up, make sure they're all lined up, push them inside. They should line up perfect. And then once they're locked into place, next step is to follow screwing these above. All right, once you have these two boards locked in, the next step is to grab the H and the I piece, go into these two holes right here on each piece to make sure that these two boards are secured and locked. All right, once you have that long board assembled, the next step is to grab all of the smaller boards, and this is where you'll actually assemble the bookshelf itself. So you're going to grab the C pieces and the A pieces, correlate that between here, and each board should line up like so, all the way throughout the bookshelf. All right, the next step is to take the A screws, line up that first board that you comprised and put together with all of the shelving, screw each A screw right into all of these holes, and the backboard will be supported. All right, to finalize this last board, you're gonna put the C rods right in there, line up that bottom board, put it into place, screw on top, little screws on the side go right in there. We'll show you the final product. All right, well there it is, very simple, very aesthetic and modern bookshelf for your living room space, your office space. I'm going to be storing all of my journals, my books into the shelf. Looks great in any setting, highly recommend. Make sure to check it out, YITAHOME.